Okay, everybody, this is Bill, and this is the weekly update for the week of the 29th. Just wanted to clarify some things some people are being a little bit confused about. I'm publishing free futures trade signals for the month of February, and the way you get them is you go to the WaveWriter Bill blog, which is wavewriterbill.blogspot.com, and you go here in this little window. Let me make that a little bit bigger, or not. Yeah, there we go. And it says sign up for free email alerts. Put your email in there, and every time I post a trade to the blog, which is what these guys are, you will see, you will get an email from me saying, for example, I'm going short the British pound at 1.5815. And this was on Friday, I think. Yeah, at 5 minutes to 7 in the morning. And then I will also publish when I'm getting out. So at 7:45 we exited this trade at 1.5785 for 30 ticks profit. That's kind of how it works. Okay. So really simple. Just go to the blog, put your email in there, and you will get these. What you do with them is totally your business. And now for something a little bit different as far as the weekly performance is concerned. I'm going to start publishing the performance numbers right on the WaveWriter Bill website. So this is just www.wavewriterbill.com. This will be the first thing that you see on the page, which is the performance for the previous week. So what we ended up doing here is having a pretty decent week. We did 2 swing trades, one on the first and one on the second. These were both longs, and I held both of these until the end of day on Friday. The first one was COF, and our total profit on that was 3 points, a little bit over 3 points. Second one was BK, that was also a long, held all the way till Friday, and the total profit on that was 1.5 points, or I'm sorry, a little bit over a point, 1.15. So both swing trades were profitable for the week. That was pretty good. Here were the futures trades. Don't know if this will always work out this way, but it ended up that we ended up with one every single day, one futures trade. Right now I'm focused entirely on the British pound. That's what I have my software optimized for. I will add other currencies as I get the optimizations completed, but it takes quite a long time to get these right. So for now, it's just going to be the British pound. We did 5 trades, basically one each day. We made 31 ticks on the first one. We made 30 ticks on the second one, 10 ticks on the third trade, 18 ticks on the fourth trade, and 30 ticks on the fifth trade. And if I did the function right here in the spreadsheet, that's a total of 119 ticks for the week. So profitable trades all around there. And that seems to be working out pretty nice too. Now this is the free service for the month of February. I'm going to see how it goes in March, how much interest I get in this. This will be eventually it's going to be a pay-for service. And I will just publish my trades. And it will go out as an email to you, and if you want to set up your email to send you a text to your cell phone, you can do stuff like that, so you get them pretty much instantaneously as I publish them, etc., etc. So that's what that's all about. This is going to be new on the WaveWriter Bill website, so keep your eyes and ears peeled for that. The rest of the stuff is kind of the same. That's where you sign up for the premium trading picks, the swing trade picks. I'm going to have something similar set up for these futures picks here, hopefully by the beginning of March. All right, so that being said, let's bring up the overall market and see what's going on. Here are the futures, and as you can see, the British pound is up here in the stratosphere as far as the Keltners are concerned. And I reformatted these analysis pages a little bit. I've simplified them quite a bit. The last signal that we got for the British pound was a long signal, and as you can see, that sucker just went on a tear from there. I do anticipate some letting air out of the balloon here a little bit in the pound shortly. As you can see, the euro has already fired off a signal to the downside, so expect some amount of correction there. The Japanese yen, I still am very leery of. This is being manipulated by the government, which makes signals do wacky things, so I'm not going to worry about that. The U.S. markets, the S&P, the Russell, and the Dow are way up in the upper ozone level. So, I don't know. We got some good jobs numbers on Friday. I have a little bit of concern as to the credibility of those numbers, but the market don't care; they just react. And right now, it's up and away, George Jetson for those. Two strong sell signals on both gold and silver, so keep your eyes and ears peeled and your triggers ready to pull on those puppies, because it looks like they may be going down here shortly. As far as the bellwethers or the crazy eights, Google, quite a correction there, but it looks like it may be on the way back up. Baidu kind of hovering around in consolidation here. Possibly, last signal was down, so we'll see what happens there. We're getting a short signal on Netflix, so be careful there. Same with Apple. Pretty much the same with RIM. Pretty much the same with Cisco. So Oracle and Amazon as well. So be on your toes for correction here, because I think we will be having one here shortly. So then let's see what the picks for Monday are, the free picks. Your long pick is USO, like the guys that go entertain our soldiers. I'm going to set my stop at the low of Friday's bar, leave an open profit target. These since I've tweaked this signal, these are running quite a bit. So I'm letting them run and seeing what happens. Your short signal for Monday, or your short pick for Monday, is JPM. I'm going to set my stop at the high of Friday's bar, and also an open profit target for that as well. Well, that's it for the weekend. Hope you guys are having fun with this, and hope you like the new improvements that I'm putting in, and we'll just go from there and see what happens. Okay? Later. Bye.